What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another little tutorial. Now this one, you've probably clicked on the video because you've got this problem when you're trying to render your video out. It comes up with GPU render error. Basically, I don't really know what it is, but if you do get this message, today I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. Now this is going to be a really quick video, maybe like a minute long, so let's get right into it. So basically I can't render this video out, but we've come up to the file, bring this down, come to project settings, click on general, and basically there's a thing called render. Click on it so it drops all these options down, and come to the option right at the bottom, select it, hit OK, and now you'll be able to render your video out. It works absolutely fine. So one tip, if you are doing this, do not edit in this render mode because it will make your editing super laggy and it's really annoying. Another thing, it is going to take a little bit longer to render, but at least you're going to be able to render your video out. Now, I think this may be like a bug with Premiere Pro or something, not really too sure, but this is a quick, easy fix for it. Hopefully it helped you guys out. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and as always, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.